It's a 10.
House 5, Jimmy and Tam, congratulations.
So how many wins is that for us now?
A few, so we got beach house.
Room 1, guest bedroom, we won $10,000.
And the Gaggenau.
Thank you, Gaggenau!
Room 2, the ensuite. Real estate challenge.
We won $5,000 and a gnome and $500 from Kinsman.
Then we won ensuite with the gnome.
It's a tie!
Oh my God! Nomi for the win. He delivered. Then we won $5,000 on the chocolate wheel, but then we also got $2,000 from Jazz and Luke for helping them out.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Oh.
It's a big step.
What's going on here?
Are you kidding me?
He's asleep. Well, wake up. Hey.
Jimbo.
I know,
doing?
having a nap.
Scotty and Shelley. just having a rest.
You're that confident, huh?
No, we're just having a bit of a rest.
You've basically finished, have you?
Nearly, yeah.
Nearly.
Yeah.
We're waiting on a few things to get
A couple of little
delivered.
bits and pieces. We've got to mount the TV.
Look at you go.
Nearly done.
Wow. Oh, I love your table.
Isn't it beautiful? I know, I love it.
And by table, Jazz means coffee table, not dining table.
Yeah, so they're not going to have a dining table at all in their dining area. So, I mean, I guess it's just a living room? Yeah.
And Luke's not alone on that hot take.
Someone deleted their dining room.
You say living and dining, not living.
That makes sense, mate. I don't know how you'd have a dining room in a 5-bedroom home, no dining room.
It's living and dining.
Like, if you want to wine and dine, you got a dining table.
Where's your dining table?
No, we're not missing a dining table. It's right there.
If they win this week, I'm going home. So, welcome to Luke's cooking show. Today, I'm whipping up my lovely wife for breakfast in bed. It is Jasmine's birthday today. As most husbands know out there, it's very important to provide breakfast in bed for your wife on her birthday. So I thought I'd make her some eggs Florentine in bed. Cook the woman some eggs. Oh, that's my toast. Room service. It's your husband bringing you in eggs Florentine and muesli and coffee on a tray. Good morning.
Why are you waking me up? I thought you said I could sleep in.
I was dead to the world.
You told me to rack off, basically.
I didn't say rack off. Once I realised what was happening and I'd woken up, yeah, it was lovely.
Happy birthday, Jasmine.
Someone who is not celebrating is Harry and Tash.
So I had to paint. I had to make sure that I could get up there and paint everything ready for the stone to be installed on Saturday morning.
Good luck, Harry and Tash. On the other end of the block, however, the situation's quite different.
Okay, I think we're done.
Done?
Yep.
Oh my God, Tam's already styled.
Who?
Tam's already styled.
Yeah, well, we know that.
Everything's in there. Are you kidding? How?
Well,
How's it
anyway.
possible?
It's been a really good week for us.
Really good week. Done, apart from curtains, which is out of our control. Other than that, we are finished.
So hang on, you finished your room on a Friday night?
We did finish our room on a Friday night.
Done. Far out.
We're done.
Friday night. It's a big record.
No one has ever finished a room 2 nights before room reveal.
Friday night. Go to lunch with Scotty. Well, if anyone else finishes by tomorrow lunch, they can come as well.